Hello everybody, and welcome to another update for the BioBlitz happening next week. In this video I want to introduce some of the places around town that are not part of main campus, but are still fair game as part of being AppState properties to make observations for the BioBlitz. I've already gone over the main campus area and the nature preserve in the previous video, so I'll post the link for that below. What I want to focus on today are these off-campus areas within the town of Boone boundaries. Several of these represent dorms and parking lots, so if you're a student living there or parking there, those are areas suitable for making observations. For example, this area here west of campus is actually the University Highlands student apartments. Now, parking here is primarily for the residents, but there are also several bus stops that you can use to get into this area if you want to make observations around these apartments. The other sizable patch to the south of campus here is actually the 105 student parking lot. This is the old Watauga High School property. There's parking here, obviously, for students, as well as several bus stops again if you want to get into this area without having a parking permit. Based on previous observations on iNaturalist, walking around these fields actually could be a promising area for making observations. There are a few smaller areas, like these two spots along Blowing Rock Road. These are the Mountain Laurel Hall and University Hall properties. So again, if you're living or working in these areas, you could just observe right outside your building. However, the most promising area for making observations and where we will kick off the BioBlitz activities on Monday is this area here, which is the Greenway area around the athletic fields at the State Farm parking lot. This is a neat place because it's accessible both for parking permit holders. You can park at the State Farm lot, or you can take the bus to the State Farm lot, as well as having easy access from public parking here at Clausen Burnley Park. The AppState area here includes part of the Greenway Trail as well as the Kennedy Trails, with the South Fork of the New River running through this area. We'll have a couple of folks out here on Monday afternoon if you want to join a group. We will also have a shuttle from Rankin Science going over here, and there's still a few slots available for students who need a ride. We have a link to a sign-up sheet for these shuttle rides on the BioBlitz website, so make sure you also check the website for updates and opportunities like this. Based on previous iNaturalist observations, this area looks to be the most promising spot to see some animals. This might be a good location for birding, for example, as well as an opportunity to see some of our larger mammals like deer. They love this area, and it looks like they're ready to participate in our BioBlitz next week.